Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can check what version of Instagram app you have. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and let us get started with you. So, if you want to check what version of Instagram you have, maybe you need to update it already. Please go to Settings on your phone. Then scroll down, go to the Basics section. And here you'll need to go to the section called iPhone Memory. Then scroll down, find the Instagram app and go to that. And this way, you'll be able to see what version of Instagram you have under the name. And if you need to update the app, you can do that here, or you can go to the App Store. Then type the word Instagram into the search box. And if when you go to Instagram, you're prompted to update it, then you can do that, and that will help you update your version of Instagram and maybe fix some issues if you have them. So friends, I hope this video has helped you. You have seen how you can check your version on Instagram. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write comments, don't forget to put your likes, and see you soon.